Hi everyone, Colin here and welcome back. This is very unusual. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and this is an Australian brush-tailed possum, which is normally up in a tree asleep at this time of the morning. But here one is down at one of the neighbours having breakfast in full daylight. These are normally a nocturnal animal, so it's really strange that it is out this late. He looks very hungry. There's a good chance he's been forced out by other possums in the area and he's really got nowhere to go. They're quite territorial. Once he finishes eating, I think he'll be up climbing a tree and going back to sleep. Thanks for watching, and I hope your day is going well.